How many years did you?
40.
40 years?
Yeah.
What were you doing?
But,
Conductor?
conductor, yeah.
Ah. So did you work on the Spirit up to Albury and
Yes.
you must have done everything, did you?
Yes, Spirit, Southern Aurora to Sydney, Overland to Adelaide.
Ah.
Then he trained around Victoria, and now I'm working on this one. This is they pay us well for this.
Yeah, I can imagine. Can I have another look at that gold watch? Can we have another look at that gold?
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, it's so classy.
Yeah, my grandfather worked on New South Wales government railways. He worked on it for. He started as a call boy in when he was 14 in 1915, and he finished when he was 70. He wouldn't retire. He went from driving fire and he went from a station to firing trains, driving trains, and he finished up as a. He got sick of driving, so he went to blacksmith and cutting up old S trucks and Clydes, you know.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, I noticed it's an oil burner.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. This is the first time I've ever ridden behind an oil burner.
Well, we've got a few oil burners.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We got some coal burners too.
Yeah, but you haven't got any black coal here, have you, in Victoria? Did you have
Not anymore.
Yeah.
We used to get it in Montaggie.
Oh, okay.
The mine at Montaggie used to supply us. But then for the special train, the Spirit of Progress, which you remember the Spirit?
Yeah, I remember the Spirit.
Okay. Harold Platt.
Yeah.
He became Sir Harold Platt. He was chairman of the commission. He insisted that the Spirit of Progress had the best Maitland coal.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Because he was proud of his Spirit of Progress.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, because that's right. In New South Wales, they always used to reserve the best coal for the 38s and the 36s.
Yeah, that was their toy.